I think that life is what it is, but life is not what's made of what life was.
What is going on? This is your mentor Spoo from FOREX&YOU, and today we'll be showing you 3 pairs. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure that you switch on that notification bell so that whenever the channel uploads, you're being notified. Feel free to contact us on our Telegram, feel free to contact us on our WhatsApp. The link will be on the description below. So let's talk pairs, man. Let's talk currency pairs. So we're gonna start with let me just take Eurusd. Cool. So what we have is we're gonna take our previous low that we broke. So let's just take our previous low right here. Remember guys, it's the weekly time frame, so if you're planning to scalp this pair, please go to your 15 minutes or 1 hour just to look for entries, or 15 minutes, you know, just to if you're an intraday trader. But like this is your long-term move, you know. So we're gonna start by identifying our low. As you can see, we broke that low and we did retest it if you can look properly. So we're gonna look for our previous support and resistance, right? So as you can see, we had our previous support and resistance right here. The price broke the support and it formed a resistance, and now we're heading for our support right here. So you know, it's not that difficult to understand. I think you just need patience, and yeah, you need patience to trade the overall direction of the market. You don't need to be an intraday trader. So as you can see, we're grabbing our zones. So it's quite easy for us to use our zones because zones cater the wicks and also cater the body of the candles. So I can safely say zones cater everything basically, you know. I'm able to understand, you know, how price fluctuates between the charts. I'm able to read the price. I'm able to identify my support and resistance clearly. So as you can see, we had multiple touches. What am I doing? Okay, so as you can see, we had multiple touches on the second zone, or the first zone rather. Okay, it'll be the second zone. As you can see, we had multiple touches. Let me just complete this one. As you can see right here, we had multiple touches. So what the price usually does is that after respecting the zone or the touches, it will eventually break, you know. These are all touches that we'll be identifying. As you can see, we had a touch, we had a touch, we had a touch, and we failed to touch, but it's still a touch. So it is very clear that the market couldn't respect this level, right? That is why we had to go all the way to the downside, and it was an indication of how the price was moving from our resistance. You know, it was tanking, you know, it was moving impulsively. So that gave us an idea that the price might react to that zone, you know. So let's just take our channel. So with our channel, guys, remember, we use different methods or different tools just to confirm with our #1 method of trading or strategy, you know? Yeah, so this might be the possible direction of the pair. Obviously we need to go down on smaller time frames just to get a an exquisite entry, just to have a position in, because obviously if you're gonna take the trade on a weekly without you actually going to the lower time frames just to cater for your position, you're gonna be in trouble. So as you can see, we had an impulsive move all the way to the downside, and that was a correction, guys, and we're still going to have an impulsive move. But now what's interesting is that the market usually it usually retests a certain zone before it can continue the direction. So there might be two possible scenarios that might happen right here. Let me just draw my support and resistance. So that you guys can understand. There might be two possible scenarios that might take place. Number one, we can either just go down, or number two, we can retest on the price and continue with the direction. This might happen to this pair, or this might happen to the price, or another possible scenario is we might just go down from where the price is at, or from where the price is trading, and we just go down with direction. So nonetheless, guys, this is Euro USD. Please feel free to comment, and feel free to share your ideas. Yeah. So USD Japanese yen, guys, I won't lie, guys, this pair has been going up for the longest of time. This pair has been on a bullish trend, for the longest of time, and I think people that were trading in that zone lost a bit of capital. People that were trading in that zone as well lost a bit of capital. As you can see, it never really respected it. It just reacted, and then it seems as if it's going up. So I just want to I believe this broker doesn't have enough data, but I'll just look at it on my other laptop. I believe this broker doesn't have enough data, but so what usually happens is that if a market breaks a certain zone, we definitely gonna go to another zone, So I just use my zones. Let me just grab my zones just to confirm with my strategy, guys. Guys, people take support and resistance very lightly. I think with support and resistance, you can actually gauge where the price is actually going. You can gauge where the price was resting. there's nothing much to do to this pair, guys. I just honestly believe that we're still gonna go up. We might have an impulsive move to the upside and a correction, but the overall direction will be a buy. You know, that's how I see everything, and there's nothing much to do to USD Japanese. I think it is very much clear. You know, we had an impulsive move to the upside, and then we corrected that level again. You know, we formed first touch, second touch, third touch, and then we went all the way to the upside. So basically what the market usually did is that impulsive move, you know, correction, or you can call it a rally, base rally, you know, if you want to use those exquisite terms. But I just find it being the same thing, guys. You know, impulsive move, correction, and impulsive move to the upside. That's what really happened. And then we come back to respect, you know, we come back to respect the correction right here. And on our way to come back to respect the correction, we have what we call ADP, you know, decision candles or decision points. You know, this is where the market usually leaves orders, and then it comes back just to fill those orders and then continues with the direction. So that's what really happened right here. You know, it's not rocket science, guys. That's what the price did. So just to grab my channel, let me just grab my channel right here. So guys, you have no excuses of selling this pair long term. So let's just draw our inner support and resistance. As you can see, a lot of people were hoping for this to be a head and shoulder, but I didn't really respect, you know, our head and shoulders. Let's just draw our inner support and resistance right here. As you can see, it's very much clear that the market is still bullish. You know, there's no excuses. You know, the market is very much strongly bullish, and it failed to respect that level for people that are hoping to sell that pair. So guys, I think with USD Japan, we still have to go up, and then only then we can respect sells, you know. But if you're a scalper, you can, and you know what you do, you can go to your 15 minutes charts and look for entries and then do your thing. So this will be the last pair, Eurgbp. As you can see, we had an impulsive move all the way to the downside, and we still have another impulsive move to complete. So without wasting any time, let's just get straight to it. Let's go to a weekly. Let's identify our support and resistance. And for me, this level is quite interesting, you know. This whole level is interesting because here this is still a fresh zone, you know. It's still a fresh zone. We still need to complete or fill in orders right there, and then we continue with the direction, you know. However, remember guys, this is a weekly time frame, so this might take weeks or months, you know, to come right here and respect it, you know. It's not something that can happen overnight, obviously, but so I just hope that you guys learned a thing or two. These will be swing positions, right? If you're a scalper, please go to your short time frames and make sure that you join our Telegram group, guys. Make sure that you join our WhatsApp group. The link will be in the description below. This is Sbu, your mentor from FOREX&YOU, and I just hope that you learned a thing or two. This is your boy signing out.